Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Leo, let's see what was to show through for you today. And Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, my fabulous lions and my lionesses out there, my old subscribers, welcome back. Thank you, thank you. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Leo, King of Pentacles in reverse, center of my spread. What's happening here? Okay. And overall energy is the Empress, Leo. So somebody is sitting on their seat of power. Beautiful. Let's see. So what's going on here? Let's see. Ten of Wands. Somebody has just dropped a connection, a burden. Maybe they've realized that there's been some disruption in a family unit or a long-term potential partnership or something. Somebody has decided, hey, I'm going to take some time away from this person. This person is very ungrounded, is more into maybe money or work or business, doesn't pay attention to this connection. And I'm not going to stress about them anymore. I'm going to hold back. But the other person, I think, does want to have some kind of communication now because they're very bored and lonely. This is just my first look, Leo. Normally when I clarify, the story can change drastically, okay? So I am going to clarify all these cards, but first I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll go on to the clarifications of these cards, okay? So Leo and their partner spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo, oh, all right, lots to say. I love the way the card jumped out. And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Let's take a few more from here. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. All right. And a couple more from the third deck. Mix it up a bit. Leo and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go, Leo. The first card here says, I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? I think said by this Empress here. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. I eventually had to let you go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental, and physical well-being became affected negatively. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that I wasn't good enough for you and guilt of wondering whether I walked away too soon. You're the most beautiful person in the world, at least in my world. You are my whole world, my universe, my all. I'm currently not feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe that you are my destiny. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? It's the little things that you do that make you so special. I have an addiction. All right. All right. So let's see what's going on here. Uh, Leo, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll start the clarification process. My angels blessing. Oh, you found it. I didn't have to go far. I didn't have to shuffle much, and this card popped out to say you found it. Or maybe somebody feels here that they found the partner they were looking for. Maybe they didn't. They were not ready at that point, and they could have lost their partner now because somebody seems to be holding back now. Now they want to go back again, feeling rejected. But let's see. Let's clarify these cards and figure out what is it that who found what. Okay, so yeah, here we go. 10 of Wands, Spirit in reverse. 10 of Wands in reverse. 10 of Wands and the 3 of Cups. Somebody who did not want commitment. Maybe they didn't want to take the responsibility of a commitment. Maybe they just were in a bad, place in their own life at that point where they were a bit depressed or sad or unhappy. And somehow, whoever this person was feeling pretty hopeless in their own life. And maybe there was some kind of a conflict here. Maybe they wanted to just have a friends with benefits kind of a connection. They didn't want to, do the right thing. They didn't want a family unit, or they didn't want a long-term potential of a partnership or something like that. And the other person probably felt that, hey, this is not worth investing in. I do feel a strong bond with this person. This person does seem like a soulmate. Yes, we have a good friendship going, but if there is no commitment here, what's the point? Is it worth investing in? What is this person, what is the time, energy, effort this person is putting for me to even, sit around and wait for them, especially when they've made it so clear that they don't want any burden in their life, they don't want any long-term partnership, and maybe they just offered a friends with benefits kind of a connection. So the problem could be that this person themselves were going through some kind of a depression at that point. 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, something happened here. There was some confusion here. Maybe there was a conflict. Somebody said something rude, mean, or some fight happened. The person who did not want to take on the responsibility in the past does, I think, want to come forward with some kind of apology. They are a bit confused about how to do it now because they maybe mistreated this Empress in the past. Now they're in deep reflection. 4 of Swords, Spirit. Yes, because now they're seeing their person as independent, glowed up, looking fabulous. Like this card said, you're the most beautiful person in the world. So yes, so they see their person as, attracting attention, looking fabulous. They're deeply attracted to this person, and they also see that maybe that person is now moving on or leaving or kind of moving on with their life, which has put this person who did not want a connection in the past feeling a bit sorry for themselves, that they're taking some time to reflect all their actions, how they maybe pursued their money, or they were being stingy with their time or effort or whatever. This person is feeling not at their best right now. King of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. King of Pentacles in reverse. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, somebody delayed it too long. Somebody did not take action when the time was right. They kept themselves blindfolded and said, hey, I'm not ready for a commitment. I don't want to see what's presented to me from the heavens straight. Like maybe somewhere in their being, they also felt a close soulmate bond or connection, but they refused to see it. This person refused to take action when the time was right, and now they're realizing that too much time has gone by, and they see that the person is the person has turned their back. They feel that their person has already turned their back on this connection, no longer having any sleepless nights or stressing about them anymore. So, Nine of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody is heartbroken now, big time. Somebody is very, very heartbroken that their partner has now left and walked away from the connection. But the problem is here that, whoever this King of Pentacles is, when they had a chance, they never made a decision. They took too long. They didn't want the responsibility of being in a connection or a long-term partnership. So they kind of may have, pushed it away. And now that this person is healed from whatever they were going through in their own life, now they feel a bit heartbroken because they feel they've lost their opportunity here. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Yes, they feel that person is no longer interested, and even that person is kind of, I think, really holding back, really not fighting for this connection anymore. They feel that, this person, the King of Swords, Pentacles person, is a promise breaker. They come with sweet nothings, but they never keep their promises anyway. So what's the point of waiting around for a person like this? I might as well hold back, right? I might as well preserve my energy. I'm not waiting around. I'm not stressing about them anymore, and I'm not fighting or waiting for this connection to come towards me. They had a chance, right? And they blew it. So now I've walked away. I'm not going to wait around for somebody to come and break my heart again, or, say sweet nothings and nothing comes out of it. Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. Yes, whoever this Empress is knows her worth now. They are not chasing after whoever this person was. They've taken back their energy. They've dropped the burden. Right? They are the ones who have the Ten of Wands in reverse. Earlier it was the other person, right? They said, "Oh, I don't want responsibility. I don't, let's just be friends, and I don't want to have long-term partnership, connections, or whatever." And now their Empress, the Empress, has now kind of got. They're doing the same thing back. They're saying, "I'm not waiting around. I'm dropping this burden, this connection altogether. I'm off for a passionate new beginning of my own life for me, and I'm excited about it. I'm moving on." So, Page of Wands, one more card, Spirit. Page of Wands. Yes, self-love. Aries got the same card in the same position, believe it or not. So a lot of people are now coming into that realization that, yes, you have to put yourself first, right? So I think this Empress is now taking charge of her own life. This person who has been waiting around is no longer waiting, has walked away, is into self-love and self-care, and excited about maybe their new journey ahead. So what's this Four of Cups then, Spirit? Four of Cups. Oh, that's kind of left their partner now in no man's land. Yes, now there's no communication. Leo, this is your card, right? Now somebody is holding back, but this could be the person who is now feeling very depressed, very sad, very neglected and rejected, but still got their pride. So they're not maybe saying anything. They're not really communicating their feelings as to how bad they feel, that they're no longer given that attention. They do wish to have this partnership back again, but they don't know how. They don't know how. This person is at crossroads, planning, thinking, wishing, hoping, but not making a move. Maybe they have a little bit of pride, which is not allowing them to be honest, and also because they feel that the person has already walked away and is looking good, and may not, even want them back anymore. So let's have one card for the Empress. Empress Spirit, which was the overall energy of this reading. Empress, you want to say something? Empress, what do you want to say here? Empress says, "I found peace and healing in my own life. I've been patient for so long with this person, but no more. I bring that peace and love and happiness and joy in my own life. I've realized I don't have to chase anyone. I'm the effing Empress here. I found myself." Yes, this card is for this Empress. Somebody found their self-worth. So That's it. That's all I have for you for this time. Yes, the other person who does want to take action now is feeling rather rejected. They are feeling a bit abandoned, feeling a bit left out in the cold, because now they've realized I do have a lot of passion for this person, the person I took for granted. This could have been my happily ever after, my 10 of cups, but now they don't trust me anymore. They don't have any more trust left. They are suspicious of my motives now. Because why? Because I never showed them my emotions on time. I never spoke up. I was emotionally deceptive. So I can go on and on, but this is a love bite. We'll get deeper into it on Monday now. Till then, take care. Love and light. Namaste, Leo.